Hi beautiful family, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's a baby girl Glory. On today's video we are going to make this powerful hair growth oil that will help to regrow your hair in crown section, thicken up your hair, regrow your edges, speed up your hair growth. If you are struggling for hair shedding, hair fall, thinning hair, slow hair growth, this oil will help you to speed up your hair growth. This oil will help to stop that hair falling. This oil will help to treat your scalp and also will help you for length retention. Okay, so I will show you how to make this oil and also the best way to apply it on your hair. So you need to watch the video to the end so you get all the instruction on how to use this oil and also how to prepare it for best results.
The day was spent in a parking lot.
Our first ingredient is onion. So I'm using this small size of onion, 2 of it, because my onion is not big. I don't have big onion, but if you have big onion you can use 1 of it. Okay, so I'm using purple onion. If you have access with white onion, you can use white onion or this purple onion. Any of them can go. Okay, so what I'm doing now is to peel off the skin. Okay, onions can help with hair growth because it contains sulfur to support strong and thicker hair, prevent hair loss and promote hair growth. The sulfur from onions may also help promote collagen production. Collagen in turn to help the production of healthy skin cell and hair growth. After peeling my onion, I went off camera to wash it and dab out excess water on it. So next thing now, I'm dicing it into this small sizable. So after dicing it, I will move to the next step. So keep on watching to see how to make this oil. This oil is very effective, so don't worry if you don't like onion smell. Please do not click out because of the onion. You will see how I made this oil and believe me, you're not going to experience that smelling of it. Okay, so after dicing it, this is what I have so far. My next ingredient is rice. Okay, raw rice. Use any type of rice you have at home. Okay, I'm going to scoop out 3 to 4 tablespoons of my rice. If you are doing larger oil, it can increase your measurement. Okay, rice contain vitamins and minerals that nourish the hair and scalp. Okay, encourage hair growth and also increase shine to the hair, make hair stronger and healthier. Next thing, I bring my blender to transfer my ingredient them. So next thing is my moringa, my powdered moringa. Okay, I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of my moringa powder. Next thing is to add my carrier oil. My first carrier oil is extra virgin olive oil. My second carrier oil is coconut oil and my third carrier oil is castor oil. So please use any carrier oil of your choice. Okay, it's not that it must be this carrier oil. You can use 1 or 2 or you can use more than 3 carrier oil. Any carrier oil you have, free to make use of it. Okay, so I went off camera to blend it into a smooth paste, but my blender did not really do a good job. Okay, I will not lie to you. So blend yours to be very smooth. I'll transfer it into this plate. Okay, because we are going to do double boiling method. Don't infuse this without double boiling method. Okay, so that you get all the nutrients in tight. Okay, so just put your water, let your water boil and transfer this in mixing of your ingredients bowl on top of the hot water and just keep on stirring it time to time. So when can you know when this is ready? Once the oil start floating on top and also the ingredients start changing in color, you know that is ready. Just bring it down. And while doing this, please don't allow your heat to be too high. Okay, so just keep on stirring it time to time and once it's ready, you will see that it's ready. So mine is almost ready. As you can see, it's almost getting ready, but only thing you need to do, keep on stirring so it will not get burned. Okay, as you can see, the oil have floated up and the ingredients have changed in color, so to show that this is ready. Okay, so what I will do now is off the gas. Okay, once I off the gas, I will bring it down, allow it to cool down a little bit so that I will not burn my hands. Guys, this oil is bomb. You don't need to skip this video yet. Keep on watching to see how to use this oil for best results, to see how to use this oil to grow down your hair, to thicken up your hair, to also treat your scalp. Okay, this oil is very very potent. As you can see, the ingredients them are very very powerful. You will never regret coming across this video. You never regret preparing this oil. If you are wondering about the smell because of the onion, don't worry, you will see whether it smell or not. And eventually you are not comfortable with it, I will tell you what to do. Only thing you need to do, just watch this video to the end so that you get all the instruction and also you get all the details you need. Okay, I already used my shift cloth to squeeze out the oil because you need something that have very tiny holes so that the residues of this ingredient will not be into the oil. Okay, I've just made sure that I squeeze the hell out of this oil. Make sure that I get the whole oil out, okay, out of the chaff. Is very necessary because this oil is very potent, very very powerful. I don't want to waste this oil. I don't want to waste it, okay, because it's not good to waste. Okay, so after squeezing it, this is what I have so far. I just bring my applicator bottle to transfer my oil container to transfer my oil. Okay, and this is what I have so far. Guys, do you see how color this oil is? This oil is very very powerful. This oil packed with a lot of benefit that you never regret coming across this video. You will never regret preparing this oil. It's the only thing that will make you not to use this oil if you don't want that bushy hair, if you don't want thicker hair, if you don't want faster hair growth, if you don't want to regrow your hair, you don't want to stop hair fall, you don't want to stop hair shedding. That's the only reason why you have not to use this oil. But if you want all this, you need to use this oil. A trial will convince you. So these are my hair is like. Okay, how to use this oil? There are different way can use this oil for best results. For those that are thinking about the smell, you can use it as a pre-poo. Okay, and also if you have essential oil, please drop essential oil. You can drop your lavender essential oil or rosemary essential oil or tea tree essential oil. The essential oil will help to enhance the smell of the onion, but believe me, mine did not smell onion. Honestly speaking, I did not experience the smell of onion in this my oil that I prepare. I use this my oil as a leave-in sealant. I use this as a sealant. Okay, I did not rinse it, and whenever I apply this oil on my hair, I did not rinse it out. Even as I'm applying it on my hair now, I did not rinse it out because it did not smell onion. The smell is just okay. Okay, so you don't need to worry about the smell. But if you are not that, maybe if you prepare your own smell onion, you can feel free to use this as a pre-poo, or you add essential oil that will help to kill the smell of it. Okay, so second way to use this oil is to use it as a sealant. Okay, you can also use this oil as your daily scalp massage. That's another benefit way. That's another best way for you to get the best results of using this oil. Use it on your hair. Just apply it on the scalp of your hair. Give yourself a gentle scalp massage every night. In 2 weeks time, you see how your hair will grow. That particular spot that you want to regrow, it will help you to regrow it very fast if you be consistent. This oil is only when you are consistent you see all the benefits and all the effective of using it. Try to be consistent while using this oil. Okay, so another way to use this oil, okay, you can use it as a hot oil treatment. You can also add it on your shampoo, on your conditioner, on everything, any of your hair regimens. You feel free to add this oil and you see how your hair will grow. You see how your hair will transform. You see that shedding stop. You see that breakage stop. You see your hair getting more thicker. Just be consistent and believe me, you will never regret coming across this video. Okay, so guys, I hope you learn 1 or 2 things in today's video. Please let me know in comment section below. I hope you are going to try this recipe. Let me know when you try this recipe how your result is so far. Have you tried this oil before? If you have not tried it, please, I encourage you to give it a try and you will never regret it. Okay, so guys, I've come to end of today's video. Please, if you have not subscribed, help me to subscribe. Okay, click on that subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And also help me to like this video. It really encouraged me and also it helped the growth of the channel. It helped you too to put this video to wider audience. business, okay? And also share this video to your family and friends so they can get the good news on today's video, so they can also grow their hair like never before, okay? So lastly, leave a comment, nice comment in comment section below. Let me know your opinion. Let me know when you are trying this oil. Let me know if you are going to try this oil or you have tried it before. Let me know your results when you try this oil. I can't wait to hear from you guys, honestly, because this oil is tested and trusted, okay? So guys, I love you guys so much, but God love you more. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there and stay safe. Bye. Mwah.